sir.
Glad we can do it, man.
Yeah.
Kai hit me up. I ain't think it was him for real. I thought somebody hacked his account and was playing with me, you know. So I said, man, Kai ain't reaching out. I told everybody, man, like, yo, I think Kai, the real Kai Cenat, just reached out to me. Let's put some work, man. And it's really him. So, you know what I mean? We made it happen, you know what I mean? So, shout out to Kai, man. I appreciate it, man.
Fire photos. Everything. Cat. Yes, sir, Ski.
We in there, Real Empire Dobermans,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Get at me.
Hey, man, shout out to William Regal and Real Empire Doberman, man. They got me right. The dogs are beautiful. Yes, sir, Ski.
So, Will, who's some other people you want to work with a Doberman?
Man, out here in Atlanta, I love to work with somebody like Usher, you know, 2 Chainz, Ross. I really want to work with Kai Cenat, but man, I can't find this dude nowhere. Like, if y'all see Kai Cenat, y'all let me know. It's like the dude is a ghost.
I'm gonna let you know.
Oh, Kai, hey, what up, boy? Let's make it happen, baby.
Yes, sir, Ski.
He right here.
Yeah.
Hey, let's get it.